Home Remedies presents Why Activating Turmeric is Important. Here's how to get the most from it. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video, I will be informing you how to get the optimum benefits of turmeric as a medicine. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Even though turmeric has proven to have anti-inflammatory, antifungal and even cancer-inhibiting properties, it is still not yet widespread in Western medicinal practices because of its poor bioavailability, ability for the body to use it on its own. Essentially, it all comes down to absorption. The active good component inside turmeric is a substance called curcumin. According to scientific studies, turmeric and its comprising curcumin have a low absorption rate and therefore a rather low bioavailability, meaning the good stuff is in there, but our bodies struggle to access it. If you want to get all the amazing anti-inflammatory benefits of turmeric, you want to make sure you are absorbing as much of it as you can so it's there for your body to use. 3 best ways to do this are: add black pepper to your turmeric. Piperine is a potent inhibitor of drug metabolism. One of the ways our liver gets rid of foreign substances is making them water-soluble, so they can be more easily excreted. But this black pepper molecule inhibits that process. So the curcumin absorption levels skyrocket with pepper and the bioavailability shoots up to 2000%. Even just a little pinch of pepper can significantly boost levels. Add a healthy fat to turmeric. Turmeric is fat soluble. In order for your body to fully absorb it and experience its amazing health benefits, turmeric needs to be combined with a fat. When it doesn't dissolve properly, curcumin has a tough time getting into the gut, which is where most of the immune system lives. When eaten with fat like coconut oil, avocado or ghee, curcumin can be directly absorbed into the bloodstream through the lymphatic system, thereby in part bypassing the liver. Make your own pre-activated paste. Love golden milk? Me too. You can simmer turmeric with water and black pepper to make a paste. This paste is pre-activated, meaning the power of turmeric has been ready to use when it goes through your body. You can store this paste for 2 weeks in the fridge for golden milk or to use in cooking. Heat it up. Heat is said to increase the solubility of curcumin by 12 times, which may also increase its bioavailability in the body. Dosage. It is suggested that adults ingest 1 to 3 grams from either fresh turmeric root or ground turmeric root per day. If you have better ideas, feel free to share them as well. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.